Are you getting frustrated looking on websites online, trying to figure out what it takes to purchase a home? Or you're watching YouTube videos, reading blogs, not knowing who to trust, who to turn to, where to actually get a straight answer? Imagine if I could save you the time, not having to go through all of these websites, hopping around and wasting time. And I could literally give you 5 easy steps of what it's gonna take to purchase a home. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the fastest way to go from start to finish and purchase a home. Number 1, getting pre-approved. That is the most important part of the entire buying process. Unless you're paying cash, you're going to have to get some financing, and more often than not, you're going to be using a mortgage lender. And when you get pre-approved, they're going to take a look at your credit. So if you're looking at all these consumer websites like Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, and you think your credit score is some inflated number, just remember that when a lender pulls your credit, more often than not, that score is going to be a lot less than what you're seeing online. So if you're serious about buying, make sure you get with a lender so you know what your actual credit score is. It's gonna save you a lot of time. When you're getting pre-approved, the lender's gonna ask you for paperwork. The most common things they're gonna ask for is 1 month of pay stubs, 2 years of tax returns and W-2 forms, and 2 months of bank statements. That's a general list and documents that you should have ready if you want to be prepared to save some time and make your lender's life a little easier to get you approved quicker. Now that you've pulled your credit, you gave your lender your paperwork, they got you qualified, so congratulations. Now the fun begins. You can start shopping for a home. If you don't have a real estate agent, you can definitely ask your lender to recommend one to you. Or just like anything else, you could go online, you could check Zillow, look for their reviews, see how productive they are, actually see, are they even doing business today? There's all these public websites that you can actually track agents' productions and see what kind of business that they're actually doing to make sure that you're gonna be in the hands of someone who's doing business today. Now that you've got your lender, you got your agent, you're shopping for a home, and you're ready to submit offers. This is when the negotiating begins and where a great lender and a great realtor is so important. In this market like today, it's super competitive. A house could go on the market today, and by tomorrow, it could have 20 offers on it. So you need to have an agent that's gonna respond quickly, a lender that's gonna respond to you just as fast, and make sure that your lender and your realtor work together as a team so that way they can try to help negotiate and get you the best deal possible. Number 4, your offer just got accepted. Now it's time to get your loan closed. In most states, people wanna close in 30 days or less. Now, if you're working with me and my team, I actually have a VIP Fast Pass program where we can close in 3 weeks or less. Now remember, when you're in escrow, whatever time frame it is, whether it's 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or that 30-day window, you have to remember when your lender asks you for paperwork, you need to get that to them as soon as possible. If it takes you 2, 3, 4 days to respond to their request, guess what? You're probably not gonna close your loan on time. So remember, during this time frame, you and your lender, you have to be best friends. If they call you, you call them back. If they're texting you saying, hey, I need a bank statement from you, you better get that to them today. Your ability to get paperwork back to your lender quickly will only help the process move along that much faster and ultimately get you into your home so you can get your keys. And last but not least, speaking of keys, when you close on your house and the lender funds your loan, guess what? Now your real estate agent can get you those keys to your brand new home. So there you have 5 easy steps of what it takes to purchase a home from start to finish, from getting qualified to funding your loan and getting the keys to your new home. Now, if you're thinking about purchasing a home this year, you can send me a text to my number below. I'd be happy to talk to you and actually walk you through these steps and see what we can get you qualified for so that way you can call yourself a new homeowner this year.